Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or just stopping by, I'm Shay, a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So this week, I want to show you guys how to make a vegan spaghetti. So here's the ingredients. You're going to use a vegan meat, onions, bell peppers, tomato sauce, grapeseed oil, chickpea spaghetti, asparagus for the side, cayenne, basil, oregano, onion powder, and red pepper flakes. Here's a close-up of the chickpea pasta. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, and it's a lot better than regular pasta. As for the spaghetti, you're going to pour some water into a pot, turn the stove on to boil. I'm going to get the oven ready for the asparagus, turn it about 410. Drizzle a little bit of grapeseed oil to saute the veggies. As for the asparagus, I used a little bit of grapeseed oil, salt, onion powder, and cayenne. Dice up your onions, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Once you've added the noodles to the water, let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then stir, of course, periodically. Now it's time to add the diced green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and onions. And of course, stir and allow them to saute and soften. Once the noodles are finished, remove from the stove and drain. Now it's time to add the meat, of course, vegan meat, and dice up and allow it to cook down as well. Place the asparagus in the oven for about 20 minutes. Continue to stir and allow everything to cook thoroughly. I added about a teaspoon of basil, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and half a teaspoon of cayenne. And of course, stir everything together so it allows it to cook thoroughly and season your vegan meat. Now it's time to add the sauce. Usually I cook my own, but when you're in a rush and want something quick, this is one of the better brands to grab. Of course, stir everything together once you pour the sauce in. Now you can remove the asparagus from the stove and set it aside for later. Now you can add in the spaghetti. And of course, stir and allow everything to cook together. And your meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Let me know if you guys like this recipe. Thank you guys again. Bye.